In this video, we will spot drill and then drill the holes. Spot drilling the holes allows you to start the hole. In this operation, we will use the spot drill to chamfer the hole before drilling it. Select Toolpaths, Drill. When the drill point selection dialog box appears, choose the option Mask on Arc as shown. Now select one of the 4 arcs. Now create a window around the geometry. Mask on Arc is a tool for selecting arcs whose diameters match the one that you select within the specified tolerance. Hit enter once you have created a window around the geometry. Select the OK button in the drill point selection dialog box to accept the 4 drill points. In the Toolpath Type page, the drill toolpath will be selected. From here, we will choose the 3/4 inch spot drill from the library and set the tool parameters. To do this, select Tool from the Tree View list. Click on the Select Library Tool button and then the Filter button. Under Tool Types, select the None button and then choose the spot drill icon as shown. Once the parameters have been adjusted, select the OK button to exit the Tool List Filter dialog box. At this point, you should only see spot drills. From this list, select the 3/4 inch spot drill as shown. You can now press the OK button to exit. Your tool will appear as shown. Input the following comment, spot drill the holes. Choose the cut parameters. Ensure that your settings appear as shown. I will now explain a few of these parameters. Drill counter bore is recommended for drilling holes with depths of less than 3 times the tool's diameter. Dwell sets the amount of time in seconds that the tool remains at the bottom of a drilled hole. From here, select the linking parameters. Ensure that clearance is enabled and set the top of stock and the depth to absolute values of -0.5. To input the depth, select the calculator icon as shown. The depth calculator will appear. Input the following equation in the finished diameter area. Hit enter. Once complete, select the OK button to exit the depth calculator. Your depth will appear as shown. You will now see the depth we calculated for the spot drilling operation set in the depth field. Change the rest of the parameters to appear as shown. You can now select the OK button to generate the toolpath. We will now backplot and verify the operation to ensure that the tool motion is correct. Select the backplot icon. Ensure that Tool and Workpiece are enabled. Also, select the isometric view and Fit icon. Now press the Play Simulation button. Your toolpath will appear as shown. You can now exit Backplot. Next, select all of the operations and verify your part. Ensure that Tool, Stock, and Workpiece are enabled. Again, select the isometric view and Fit icon. Now press the Play Simulation button. You can now exit Verify. We will now drill the holes. In this step, we will drill the holes to a specified depth. Select Toolpaths, Drill. From the drill point selection dialog box, choose the last button. This option will automatically select the 4 holes for you based off the selection from the previous drill operation. Select the OK button in the drill point selection dialog box to accept the 4 drill points. In the toolpath type page, the drill toolpath will be selected as shown. We will now choose a 1/4 inch drill from the library and set the tool parameters. From the tree view list, choose Tool. Click on the Select Library Tool button and then the Filter button. Under Tool Types, select the None button and then choose the drill icon. Now, under Tool Diameter, set Equal and input a value of 0.25. Once complete, select the OK button to exit the Tool List Filter dialog box. At this point, you should only see a 1/4 inch drill. Select this drill and choose the OK button. Your tool will appear as shown. Input the following comment, drill the 4 holes through. Once complete, select the cut parameters. Ensure that the cycle is set to drill counter bore. Ensure that the rest of your parameters appear as shown. From here, select the linking parameters. Change the top of stock to an absolute value of -0.5. Also, input a depth value of absolute -0.75. Next, select the tip compensation. Enable this option and input a breakthrough amount of 0.01. Once complete, select the OK button to generate the toolpath. We will now verify the part. Select all of the operations and click the Verify button. Ensure that Tool, Stock, and Workpiece are enabled. Again, select the isometric view and Fit icon. Now press the Play Simulation button. Your part will appear as shown. To rotate the part, click in the center of the part with the mouse wheel. Hold down the mouse wheel and slightly drag the cursor to rotate. You can now exit Verify.